Hello and welcome to Onlinekhata. I am your Onlinekhata assistant. Onlinekhata is a service where you can easily make your bills and invoices and let the software do automatic accounting entries for you. The main purpose of any invoicing and accounting software is to let you create bills and invoices. But before you do that, you need to add your products, customers and related data so that you can make invoices seamlessly. Today I am going to show you how to add a product to your existing catalog. So from the dashboard where you can see all the information about your business, such as your sales and purchase invoices and your pending invoices, as well as all the other details which you would want to easily see, you can go to the products and service and start adding your product. And you'll see all the details being entered. We're taking an example of a furniture shop where we have such products. One very important part which I would like to tell you is that if you select service instead of product, you don't have some fields such as unit of measurement. Similarly, you can also edit the details of a product you have entered into your catalog like this. Of course, this is not just one way of adding a product or a service in Onlinekhata. You can actually do so from the invoice interface itself. Let me show you this. So this is a software which makes your business very easy. For registering, you can go to onlinekhata.co.in. That's onlinekhata.co.in. Goodbye and have fun.